Welcome to our comparison of two powerful AMD processors, the Ryzen 5 5600 and the Ryzen 7 9800X3D. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to pricing, the AMD Ryzen 5 5600 is priced at $199, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the Ryzen 7 9800X3D comes with a significantly higher price tag of $479. This price difference reflects the performance capabilities and features of each processor, with the Ryzen 7 justifying its cost through superior specifications and future-proofing options. In terms of performance, the Ryzen 5 5600 offers solid capabilities with its 6 cores and 12 threads, suitable for most gaming and productivity tasks. However, the Ryzen 7 9800X3D excels with 8 cores and 16 threads, along with a higher base clock speed of 4.2 GHz and a boost clock speed of 5.2 GHz. This makes it a powerhouse for gaming and demanding applications, especially with its larger 96 MB cache that enhances performance in resource-intensive scenarios. Another important factor is socket compatibility. The Ryzen 5 5600 utilizes the older AM4 socket, which may limit future upgrade options. On the other hand, the Ryzen 7 9800X3D features the newer AM5 socket, offering greater upgradability and support for the latest technologies. This makes the Ryzen 7 a more future-proof choice for those looking to invest in their PC build. In conclusion, both processors have their strengths. The Ryzen 5 5600 is a fantastic budget option, while the Ryzen 7 9800X3D offers superior performance for those willing to invest more. Consider your needs and budget carefully before making a decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.